Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to play Monopoly Go with friends. So guys, let's go to your Monopoly games. Now tap on the friends option bottom right corner. And here you are going to see three options. First contacts, second Facebook and third invite. So when you tap contacts, here you can see the option add contacts. After tapping on add contacts, you have to give your number and they will send an OTP code to that number. And then you have to log in. And after login, you can see who in your number list plays these games. And you can invite them to play with them if you want. Then the next option, Facebook. Here you can add your Monopoly account with your Facebook account. And then you can invite all your Facebook friends who plays this game. And then you can play with them. And then the last option, invite. Here you can invite your friends with your other social media app. So guys, that's it. That's how you can play Monopoly Go with friends very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.